Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Ritch and Lux. My name is Richie and today I'm gonna share with you a different experience of mine. I haven't told you guys, I also am into perfumes. So recently I went to the Los Angeles Farmers Market, which is more popularly known as the Grove, and I found this little nice store there which actually compounds perfume in front of you. So I wanted to experience it, and I've heard so much about this perfume and I just wanted to share my experience. This was actually on Mother's Day weekend and this is what I got. One of the things I got for Mother's Day. It's a perfume obviously, and it's the Labo. I don't know how to pronounce it really, Labo, which is French for the lab, and I think this company originated in New York, but I don't know how you call the perfume guy that invented it. One of them is French, I believe. So without further ado, let's unbox this, and also towards the end of the video we'll show you how they compounded this, and it's really pretty nice how you see them make the perfume for you, and you get it customized. You can put your name in there, and if you're giving it as a present, you can put the name of the person you want to gift it to. So it was such an experience. It's a little tiny store, but it has that vintagey feel. Yeah, so let's unbox this perfume. This is one of their most popular scents. It's the Labo Santal 33. So as you can see, it's sealed and you can see my name there. And it was about $210 with tax, and this is the, I believe, 50 ml. So yes, let's unbox this. It says merci. Thank you for French, and it has this stamp, and it actually says when it was compounded. There's a date when it's compounded here. So it's nothing much, just a paper black tissue, and this is what it is, guys. It's just very simple bottle. I like it because it looks like those old apothecary labels back in the days. Yeah, so then it says here how many ounces, 50 ml, and it says compounded at the Grove by this SA here. It was on May 8, 2021, and for Ritchie. So this is, he said, was one of their famous or most popular scents, Santal 33. I like it because it's so unique. Well, not unique now because it's been so popular, I guess, but the scent is so distinct. It has a musky smell and a woodsy smell. If I can describe it, it is kind of like, I don't know if you've been to a woodworking shop. It smells like sawdust, like a freshly scraped, or I don't know how you call it, like the sawdust from lumber. So it kind of smells like that, but in a more refined smell and musky, but it's more of sandalwood, I think, is one of the base notes. So yeah, I've been wanting to get this perfume. So this perfume is actually, this is vegan, and they also have, perfumes and candles and home scents. So perfume and candle care. So it says here that we advise you to store your scent in the refrigerator. I didn't know you can refrigerate your perfume, so I guess to make it last longer. And it says here to refrigerate it if you will not use it for a long time. So that's one tip on these perfumes. I'm not sure if that applies to other perfumes, but that's actually a good tip there that I just learned today. So yeah, or if you use it daily, you should keep it away from light and heat. And with the candles, it's advising to only do one thing, is to trim the wicks before every burn. So that's just for candles. So yeah, so this is really nice. It's kind of like really organic is how it feels like, smells like. And yeah, so just really distinct. I like that unique distinct scent and musky but still feminine. But by the way, this is also a unisex perfume, so they can actually also refill the bottles, and you get a discount if you bring your bottle. I'm not sure how much the discount is, but you do get the discount, but only for the 50 ml and the bigger bottles. So the 15 ml you can't do refills, but yeah, just the 50 ml and the 100 ml, I believe. So yeah, that's another thing with that, is you are, helping with the environment with less carbon footprint. And that is what I like too about these brands, is like they are more conscious now with the environment. So yeah, like the Louis Vuitton perfume bottles, they are also refillable. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share with you one of my latest luxury perfume purchases. This is also available at Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, and Saks. So it's so fun seeing my perfume being compounded in front of me. So watch out for the clips here and tell me what you think. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you and have a good day. Please don't forget, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
So this is alcohol. Okay, so all of the fragrances have a specific formulation based on the amount of perfume oil in them. Santals are most popular, so it's definitely the easiest to remember. So Noir, another 13, Rose, and Santal round out our top 4. Yeah, the Santal 26 is our home fragrance. So it's for home. It's a little lighter and a little sweeter.